Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. This week's a weird one. All right, it's a little weird. We are going back to the 70s. A crazy time. So crazy, especially for food. Casseroles, really big thing. So I guess it wouldn't surprise you that we're making a casserole. So the dish is called the Flying Jacob. I'm not gonna try and butcher the pronunciation. But it's weird. It's a little weird. It's basically curried chicken, bananas, bacon, salted peanuts, and it's covered in like whipped cream. It's yeah. So yeah. It's gonna be fine. So anyway, so I already cooked my chicken and I cooked my bacon. This is like a super healthy recipe. I have to make the whipped cream and then we will fold the whipped cream into the chili sauce. Yum. What is life? I'm gonna make the whipped cream. I'm not gonna show you because I've whipped cream plenty of times. It's easy. You just whip it. Okay. All right, I'll be back. There's nothing about this that feels natural. Okay, now that that abomination is done, I don't know how to feel about that. Like, I mean, it doesn't taste bad. I don't know. My body is saying that it's like a whipped mayonnaise and I'm like, well, I have preheated my oven. I guess it's time to start assembling the Avengers. What in the Betty Crocker hell have I gotten myself into? My oven is ready, my body isn't. It honestly doesn't look that bad. I think if I didn't know what was in it, I wouldn't be as apprehensive. It's supposed to be served over rice. So I've got my rice and I'm just gonna, oh, it's very, well, it looks a lot harder than it is. Yeah, it's foamy. Okay, you know what? There's no fish sauce, so at least it'll be fine. For the toppings, we have some bacon and some peanuts. Are we sure this wasn't invented by a stoner? To be fair, it was the 70s. The 70s in Sweden the same as it was in America? Tune in next week. Looks like it's gonna storm its ass off outside, which I feel like is kind of appropriate because I feel like I just opened a portal to hell. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have a solid foundation to give you an answer yet. It's really weird. I don't know. Okay, that's my verdict. I don't know. It's not inedible. It's puzzling. If you've ever, partaken in the devil's lettuce, you have probably eaten some interesting mixtures of foods. So I would put this very on brand with something like that. Like some weird concoction that makes more sense because, your head's in the clouds somewhere. It's weird, okay? It's weird. I don't know. It's not bad. It tastes like the 70s. Hungry, limited ingredients. End up with a flying Jacob. Stoned and hungry, limited ingredients. Same results, okay? I think we're figuring stuff out. It's very confusing to my brain, in my mouth. Hopefully it's not confusing to my tummy, because that would make for not good night. But it looks like it's gonna storm its ass off, and I got farm stuff to do. Plus I gotta clean the entire kitchen, because even though it was pretty simple, it still took a decent amount of dishes. But don't know where that series of accents came from. So anyway, I think that is the perfect time to decide that we're gonna figure out what we're making next week. This one chose me. Open. Oh yay! It's inspired by another Jacob. If you've ever watched Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, Jacob is a baker. He likes to bake. Baking makes people happy. Agree. But when he's at the bank and he's trying to sell them, he's just like, you gotta try the paczkis, right? So when I knew I was gonna do 50 countries in 50 weeks, blah, 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 I was just like, oh. So I looked it up. Obviously it's Polish. Jacob's character is Polish. So next week we're doing Poland. Gonna make paczkis. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that as how it's pronounced in the movie, so. They're donuts of some sort. I gotta go, got stuff to do. Hope y'all are having a good time. Good, whatever. Doing something fun. I don't know, building something. Raising new critters. Human or otherwise. But I'll see you next Tuesday. I got excited. Dragon. Don't do that tongue thing.